Hi, it's Renee B, Spiritual Medium. Today I have an unboxing of Radleigh Valentine's new Angel Wisdom Tarot. And I've always been very drawn to Radleigh's cards. I think he was the first deck that I started working with tarot on. So let's get into today's unboxing, shall we? I took off the plastic, but I have not gone any further, so I'm going to just remove them. So it's the usual Hay House box, I would say, with the cutout to help open it up. I didn't do it that way though. So there's this on the back. And, well, that's nice. It says, "Thank you, angels, for guiding my path every day." So there's just a little look-see for you. So you've got a very thick, which doesn't surprise me, guidebook. And let's get into the cards. So let's see if I can get this off. And I've always enjoyed Radleigh's cards. Okay, here we go. And they are in order. So let's just start at the very bottom. So here's the Dreamer card. You really see, I know that Radleigh has really put a lot of detail into these cards, with the numbers, with what archangel you're working with. This is with Archangel Metatron. And so it starts at the very beginning. He even has his dogs in the decks, which is always nice. The next card is the Magician. So I love the detail that he puts into these cards. This is the first card. This is Archangel Raziel that he's working with. So beautiful cards. The High Priestess, and this is Archangel Haniel. This is the second card. Third, the Empress, and I think that is Archangel Gabriel. The Emperor, and so he's got Roman numerals to do the numbers as well. Oh, look at all the detail. I love the detail. Wise Counsel. The Lovers. Beautiful cards. I was really debating about getting these. The Chariot. I can't wait to really do a reading with these. Justice. The Hermit. The Wheel. Beautiful. And this is actually the back side of the cards as well. So that's what he's used for the back side of the cards. I like that. I like that idea, because the Wheel is such a powerful card to receive as well. Strength. Awakening. There's normally 72 cards in his decks. Release. Balance. Ego. Transformation. I like the way Radleigh is very sensitive to certain things in the decks. There's no Fools or Hangman or things like that. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. Look at the sunflowers and everything too. Renewal. The World. I love the cardstock. It's really good quality. The cards are not shiny. They're matte. Oh, this is an Awakening card. Oh, So we're getting into the pips now. That's what we are doing. So I'm going to see. So this is fire. He's got the element in the corner, which is really helpful, as well as the number. Oh, beautiful cards. The illustrator did an amazing job. I figure I'll be doing some readings with these this weekend, getting to know them. It's nice that the pips are different as well. You know, it makes it more interesting to do readings with interesting pips as well. This is the Queen. Notice the black cat. You have to have a good black cat in that deck. The King. We're getting into the suit of water. Look at the dolphin and the young girl, the mermaid, mer girl. So this is all going to be about emotions with water. I like the way they're organized, I have to say. With all the information in the corners. Ah, here's the mermaid girl grown up, and the dolphin's grown up too. Here's the King, the Queen, here's the King. We're getting into the suit of air. I love that, the sword and the stone. These stories always spoke to me. I love that. Stained glass. Love all the detail. There's a lot of emotion in these cards. A lot of wind. The birds, everything means something. Butterflies, transformation. The cardinals, the horse energy, the Queen, the King, juggling time, balance, creativity, can't wait to see. There's going to be so much, information in his guidebook with regards to this. Seeds planted. Learning all you can. Enjoying the fruits of your labor. Money coming in. Financial security. Scholarly and cheerful. Oh, she's got a rabbit. I think she was a young girl in one of the pictures as well, and the rabbit was also young. Here's the queen. Notice she's got the rabbit. And the king. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing of Radleigh Valentine, the Angel Wisdom Tarot, and I look forward to doing readings with them. Take care. Have an amazing day. Bye for now.